Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian baka yeng bishar Supreme Court kalapan mi ya karai ban ailat biang ya ka jingti bat shalan dawyong hakajala Meghalaya. Nakaliang ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala taulat banwat Jingïarap naka Central Mine Planning and Design Institute bat naka Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited kiban sayarap ya ginong ti dawyong haka kerteng ka jala Meghalaya ban Pynkhreh ya ka mining plan. Usembot Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tensong hak jingi keren bat ka Batisi TV hak santarik unaitung arjar khat khandai ulai itu baka Central Mine Planning and Design Institute bat ka Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited kin sayarap ya ka Sorkar jala bakan Pynkhreh ya ka mining plan na kabenta ka Sorkar jala khenang bandup lapat sa sisien ban pensedang no ya ka jingti dawyong biang hak jala Meghalaya. Hagaju kapor ulai itu bagi paitba kin sala ban sedang biang ya ka khi ka kamai leng baga jingti bar ka jingshalan yau dawyong tad hadien baga Sorkar jala kala da Pynkhreh ya ka mining plan ya ka ba on sa menjur da ka Sorkar pedeng.
I don't know on what basis he said that is big blow to the government. In fact, it is good for the government. Why it is good for the government? When the Supreme Court says, okay, those extracted coal which is lying in the surface, this extracted coal which is lying in the surface, around 30 plus lakh metric ton, this will be handed over to Coal India. Okay, handing over to Coal India for what? For auction, meaning for selling of this extracted coal. Okay, and after selling, then what happened? That money, that auction money, it will be transferred to the state exchequer, and again from the state exchequer, meaning from the state government, will be transferred to the mine owners. Whoever list appeared, whoever names appeared in the affidavit filed to the Supreme Court. So why is it a big blow? In fact, Coal India will take care of auctioning or selling of coal. It is very good. It is good.
But the Supreme Court had also directed the committee constituted by the NGT to monitor and assess the transport.
No, that is only to work out the modalities.
Okay.
Just to work out the modalities. Okay? Because now, see, this extracted coal does not locate in one particular place. So, meaning throughout Mecl, we have Garo Hills, we have West Khas Hills, and then Southwest Khas Hills, and then East Jantia Hills. So, this committee, NGT committee, will work out the modalities whether to bring all this extracted coal which was scattered to one place or to auction it separately. Okay. So these were the decision taken by the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, and then beyond that I can't say anything because let that committee decide. See, or we passed the resolution. Again, we reconfirmed it last year in the assembly. We reconfirmed that resolution passed last time, passed in the year 2015, I think. Okay, passed during the year 2015. We reconfirm it again, the same thing. Okay. The issue that time was, as I said to you, we pleaded the government of India to kindly exempt from these two central acts, Nationalization Act and number 2 is Cmpdi. Okay, why? Because we knew well, as per the act, especially that Nationalization Act, all major minerals does not belongs to individual. It does not belongs to the state government even. It belongs to the national. Okay, but now when the Supreme Court has given us this historic judgment, now the Supreme Court confirmed that no, the land belongs to the landowner, the land belongs to the people of the state. Okay, so I don't know why Dr. Mukul Sangma says U-turn. Why should he say U-turn? Because you know the argument made by the government lawyers in the Supreme Court, it took us not less than 6-7 days, and our lawyers, they did their homework very well. Okay, our government lawyers, they did so well their homework, and they collected all the informations. The traditional practices that we are here, and then the land tenure system that we have here. So that's what I'm telling you. In fact, it is a big relief to the people of the state. So you can ask our leader of opposition, why should he say U-turn? U-turn means if we get negative judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court. Let me tell you, all the affidavits, right from the state government, up to the ministry is concerned, coal ministry, mines ministry, home ministry, they file the affidavit, okay? And the affidavit is very positive. Yes, go for exemption, okay? But with due diligence, the Honorable Apex Court, ultimately what they said, they came out, that's what I call it an historic judgment given by the Honorable Apex Court, by saying, because only one para, that is good enough. The land belongs to the people of Mecl. So, see, that's what I'm telling you. It does not contradict anything. The land belongs to Mecl. Why the Honorable Supreme Court convinced that the land belongs to the people of Mecl? It's because of the affidavit. As I said, the affidavit made by the government, the affidavit made by the private lawyers of different stakeholders, different parties, and the affidavit made by the central government. So ultimately the order came out. See, now once the confirmation made by the Honorable Supreme Court that the land belongs to the people, means coal belongs to the people of the state, then mining can be done. But you have to go through certain guidelines, because we need to be sure that environmental issue as well as safety issue is adhered to in totality. Supreme Court says this extracted coal of 30 lakhs metric ton, this will be auctioned by the Supreme Court. So the chapter said that no, that's it. But for those people who wanted to start mining, they have to get the mining plan. After getting the mining plan approved, then what you can do, you can start mining. And then you start mining, and then you can start transporting.
And this mining plan, where do they have to submit? I think
first to the state government, meaning to mining and geology.
Okay.
And then from mining and geology, from the state government, it will go to the ministry. Just like that.
Indication that the process will be very lengthy one. This will affect small time miners.
No. See, I'm just telling you. Please don't misunderstand one thing. I would like to request all the stakeholders. Let us adjust ourselves with the environment, because environment also is the next generation. It is for the next generation. So our earning also is for this generation and for the next generation. So let us balance it. We should not say that no, I can't do this, I can't do that. Why should you say that? And we have to learn through the past, as I said. We have learned so much. We suffer a lot from 2014 till recently. And why should we continue doing that? So we realize, we understand, because environment is equally important as well as livelihood of people is equally important. So side by side it has to be taken. interventions.
So in this mining plan, the miner will have to indicate how they will restore the environment after.
See, what happens is
extracting the coal?
technical expert will do it.
Okay.
That's what I'm telling you. We have already from the state government, we have already engaged 2 institutions. Okay, one is Cmpdil. I have already told you that day.
Right.
Cmpdil, and number 2 is Mecl, Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited. These 2 agencies will help the state government, on behalf of the state government and on behalf of the private miners, okay, for preparation of this mining.